Hello and welcome to the channel. I am Poonam Dua from M&A Education Academy of Literature, and this is mock test number 18 of our series. This test is specifically based upon the work of T.S. Eliot, the famous poet and critic. Please do watch all previous videos too. You will surely score better marks in any of your competitive exams. Let us begin with the first question. Question number 171. 170 क्वेश्चंस हम ऑलरेडी कवर कर चुके हैं अपने प्रीवियस 17 वीडियोस में. उन सभी वीडियोस को भी जरूर देखिएगा. आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. विच ईयर वाज इलियट born? द करेक्ट आंसर इज 1888. ऑप्शन नंबर ए. Eliot was born on September 26, 1888 at USA and died on January 4, 1965 at London, England. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जिसका आंसर हम अभी अभी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. विच ईयर वॉज इलियट डाइड? द करेक्ट आंसर इज 1965. एज डिस्कस्ड इन प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन, टू बी प्रिसाइज, ही डाइड ऑन January 4, 1965. Next question, who coined the term dissociation of sensibility? The correct answer is T.S. Eliot. डिसोसिएशन ऑफ सेंसिबिलिटी एक फ्रेज था जिसको टी.एस. एलियट ने यूज किया था अपने एसे में द मेटाफिजिकल पोएट्स. 1921 का ये एसे है, एंड दिस टर्म बेसिकली एक्सप्लेन्स द चेंज दैट अकर्ड इन इंग्लिश पोएट्री आफ्टर द एरा ऑफ मेटाफिजिकल पोएट्स. Next question. The theory of impersonality in poetry was propounded by whom? The correct answer is option C, T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot का दिया हुआ ये कॉन्सेप्ट है जो कि कहता है एक मैन की दो पर्सनालिटीज होनी चाहिए, वन एज अ पोएट एंड वन एज अ नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग, नॉर्मल मैन. As per Eliot, a poet should have two distinct personalities, and a person as a poet should uphold no relation with that of his personal self while composing his poetry. Next question. Who wrote the essay The Tradition and Individual Talent? The correct answer is T.S. Eliot. Tradition and Individual Talent एक essay है written by poet and literary critic T.S. Eliot, and the essay was first published in Egoist and later in Eliot's first book of criticism, that is The Sacred Wood, और originally ये 1919 में publish हुआ था. Next question. In the essay Tradition and Individual Talent, Eliot compares the mind of a poet to, the correct answer is catalyst. Tradition and Individual Talent 1919 का एक essay है written by poet and critic T.S. Eliot, and in this essay Eliot compares the mind of the poet to a catalyst and the process of poetic creation to the process of chemical reaction. Next question. The essay The Metaphysical Poets is famous for its concept of which of the following? The correct answer is dissociation of sensibility. Dissociation of sensibility एक लिटरेरी टर्म है जिसको सबसे पहले T.S. Eliot ने यूज किया था अपने essay Metaphysical Poets में, and it refers to the way in which intellectual thoughts, the thoughts of a poet, was separated from the experience of feeling in 17th century poetry. Next question. By referring to the term historical sense, Eliot wants to convey a perception of which of the following? The correct answer, option number A, pastness of the past. T.S. Eliot, जिनको हम कह सकते हैं कि सबसे ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंशियल पोएट रहे हैं, क्रिटिक रहे हैं मॉडर्न एज के, and he expresses his notion of historical sense in his revolutionary essay Tradition and Individual Talent. In this essay, he says that tradition depends on the complete realization of historical sense. एक पोएट अपनी ट्रेडिशन के हिसाब से तभी लिख सकता है जबकि उसको हिस्टोरिकल सेंस का अंदाजा हो, रियलाइजेशन हो. द हिस्टोरिकल सेंस enables a poet to a reality that the past is not something isolated from present. Past और present दोनों एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं, and it is the perception of pastness of the past that enables a poet to write. Next question. Eliot uses the term objective correlative in which of the essay? The correct answer is option B, Hamlet and His Problems. In literary criticism, an objective correlative is a group of things or events which systematically represent some or other kind of emotions. Eliot formulated this principle of objective correlative in his essay Hamlet and His Problems, and this is an essay written by Eliot in 1919. This essay basically offers a critical reading of Hamlet. Next question. Who coined the critical term objective correlative? The correct answer is option B, Washington Elliston. ऑब्जेक्टिव कोरिलेटिव एक लिटरेरी थ्योरी है जिसको सबसे पहले कॉइन किया गया था बाय वॉशिंगटन एलिस्टन एंड इट वाज यूज्ड बाय T.S. Eliot in the essay Hamlet and His Problems and published in the Sacred Wood 1920. The term first coined by American painter and poet Washington Elliston. So here we reach to the end of this video. Please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot for watching and best of luck for your exams.